The 2026 GMC SAVANA 3 isn't just a van, it's a heavy-duty workhorse, built for those who demand strength, durability, and versatility in every mile. From the first glance, its bold front grille, muscular lines, and solid stance declare that this machine means business. GMC has taken the proven SAVANA platform and elevated it with modern powertrains, advanced safety, and refined comfort, making it equally at home on job sites, highways, or custom conversions. Under the hood, the 2026 SAVANA 3500 offers a choice between a robust V8 gas engine and a torque-rich turbo diesel, both tuned for serious hauling and towing. Whether you're carrying heavy tools, transporting passengers, or pulling a loaded trailer, this van delivers the muscle to get it done. The heavy-duty suspension and reinforced frame provide stability under full loads, while improved aerodynamics help with fuel efficiency. Step inside and you'll see the transformation. The driver's area is designed for long hours on the road. With supportive seating, upgraded materials, and an intuitive dashboard, GMC's latest infotainment system includes a sharp touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and navigation. Clever storage spaces, USB-C ports, and easy-to-reach controls keep the cabin practical yet comfortable. Safety takes center stage in 2026, with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only protect drivers, but also help businesses avoid costly downtime. Versatility remains a hallmark of the SAVANA 3500. Wide-opening rear and side doors, a flat-load floor, and multiple configurations make it adaptable to countless roles. Cargo transport, passenger shuttle, or specialized service vehicle. GMC also supports factory customization, so you can tailor the van to your exact needs without voiding warranty coverage. On the road, the SAVANA 3500 feels solid, controlled, and quieter than ever. Thanks to improved insulation, braking is confident, steering is precise, and the ride is surprisingly smooth for a van of its size. The 2026 GMC SAVANA 3500 blends brute strength with modern refinement, making it an ideal partner for hard-working owners and fleets. This is honest auto wheels, and if you need a vehicle that delivers power, safety, and adaptability mile after mile, the SAVANA 3500 is ready to go to work for you.